So what are we doing today, Wyatt?
Building badass budget LS turbo junkyard bullcrap.
Yeah, what he said.
Tell you what.
I'll tell you what, quit.
Pro CNC, buddy. I'm as steady as a CNC. Can't you tell?
Alright, so we're over here at Wyatt's. I got the majority of stuff except I lost my camshaft somewhere. I don't know where my cam is, so I gotta go find that later today. But did get the block surfaced. We just hit it with this little sanding block that Wyatt's got. Looking pretty good.
Damn right.
So before we go ahead and power wash it off and get all the sand and shit out of it, Wyatt's gonna clean the cylinders out.
No, you're gonna. You got smaller hands. Mine don't fit. Look at this. I'm like breaking my wrist in here.
We're gonna clean out the cylinders, and then Wyatt's gonna hone them because I don't know how to hone. He's gonna give them a fresh hone, and then we're gonna go ahead and hot seat this whole block out. Go buy some oven cleaner and degreaser, a whole bunch of brake clean.
Cam bearings.
Some new some cam bearings. The cam bearings came in, so get it all cleaned out, and then start probably with the cam bearings, and then go ahead and move on to the crank and all that stuff. So gonna be a fun day. I got a lot of work to do on that crank. You have to polish that crank.
He's gonna be most of the day just cleaning stuff. So
yeah, it's gonna be a fun day though.
It'll be a fun weekend.
Yeah,
I should say.
Yeah, Wyatt's over here. He's building the new motor for his old 50 Shades of Gray that is now black. He's got it over here. I don't know what he's got left to do, but if you guys want to check that out, go check Mr. Sketchy DA out. Just Sketchy DA on the YouTubes. He's making a video on it. Everybody keeps asking me when you're gonna make videos.
I've uploaded 2 in the past week. Y'all need to catch up with the times.
So yeah, if you guys are wondering, that's his channel at Sketchy DA. Go check it out right now. Link in the description down below.
Thanks, boo. Why are you touching my head?
I was squishing your head, bro.
Don't squish my head, man. You're hurting me.
Okay, let's get some shit done.
Let's do it. Gosh dang, old son.
Some nice looking cross hatching there, boy.
Yeah, just that's a.
I tell you what,
specialty,
dude.
Man. Some people don't get it.
You and engines and motors, dude, go together like a hog and shit.
We go together like cocaine and waffles.
What?
It's from Talladega Nights.
P.S. Don't try and snort these.
No, it's all about RPM versus stroke. Y'all just spin these things way too fast and you just get nice little circles all the way around the bore. Not how you do it.
Not what we want.
You want nice, even. Per rotation, you want a stroke, buddy. You can also watch your WD-40. Your WD-40 is going to show you the same marks that your scratching is, you know? So, y'all need to take your time and learn a thing from your friendly Pro CNC machinist guy. Done skis, bud.
Now it's time to get some degreaser, soak it in degreaser, and frickin' power wash it, or hot seat it actually.
Well, hot seat it because this thing is a mess.
Well, Wyatt Shop here got all the fancy tools, got that fancy hot seat, so. About to be a geyser out of there. Oh, bro. Check out that water pressure, baby. Dude, that looks so funny.
Alright, dude, who's building? We're not even building this block. We're just going to turn it into a sick waterfall.
Yeah, let's turn this thing into a sick water fountain. Jesus! Oh, shit. Do it again.
Deep clean, baby.
Well, them passages are clean.
Oh, fuck. God damn. Not the first time I've been soaked around yet.
So we got everything cleaned out. And yesterday, what the hell did we do yesterday? Yeah, we cleaned the crank out, blasted the pistons, got it all set up, got the pistons rings gapped, crank is in, plastic gauge the crank. Looked pretty good, put new bearings in.
It's got 15 thou oil or 1.5 thou of oil clearance.
Whatever that means. Yeah, it's decently tight. And then we're gonna go ahead, put these rods in, and are we gonna check the rod bearing clearance?
Probably not.
No?
Maybe
Okay.
one.
Just one of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a race motor, they'll loosen up.
Yep. Oh, Wyatt did get the cam bearings in.
Damn right.
Looking great.
Put the cam in it, spins great too.
Yeah, yeah, almost too good.
Yep, almost too good.
I about dropped it out of it.
About knocked it out of the back of the freaking motor.
Yep.
Big dumb idiot.
But yeah, it's coming together, hopefully together here in just a couple hours.
Yeah.
I got the valve springs on the head, so once we get these pistons in and all bolted down and stuff, we should be good to go to put the heads on.
You see how nice this crank spins? Nice and freely. Pretty neat. Pretty neat.
Decent.
Right.
Break it, you buy it.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Wow, dude, look at how lean that tune is.
Break a frickin' ring.
Look at how lean that tune is. Whole piston's white.
Dude, look how ash this piston is. It's so hot.
Done.
Trash.
Dude, did one of these valves hit this piston here?
Yeah.
Not gonna work.
Hit a lot of them.
No, I know. I'm just kidding. All of them are nicked. I don't know why either. That DOD shit is just terrible. It's a terrible design.
Horrible shit.
Terrible. But yeah, go ahead, put all these pistons in here, get them all tightened down.
Get that stupid camera out of my face.
Your hair, bro. Alrighty, we got the cam in.
What's up, boy?
Got pistons, rods in, all that shit in. Studs are going in. Lifters are in. Lifter trays are in.
You want to see how we treat these fucking
Front and rear timing covers are on.
Check these out.
Do not.
Oh, you want to hear the good one?
No. Don't fuck it up.
Ooh,
It's too far.
titties.
Dick.
No,
Be nice to them.
I'll be nice to you.
But yeah, so this does have the LS9 head gaskets on it, obviously. They're thick old bitches.
17 layer.
No.
Just like my chip dip, you know, like dip for chips. 7-layer dip.
What?
Know what I'm saying?
I can't with you, dude. Motor's looking pretty good. Gonna go ahead. Dude, it looks great. This dude's the man behind all the bottom end. So,
All right.
I did one side of the rings. I did the even sides, and he did the odd sides.
So whichever one pinches the ring and rips the skirt out of the piston first.
That's whoever's fault it is. Alrighty, so of course I'm a dumbass,
Yeah, you are.
and we ran into issues.
Of course we did.
Well, I mean it's my own issue that I inflicted on myself. But I ordered the wrong valve springs. I should have noticed right away when I was putting them in. They felt really soft, and then Wyatt set the head on there and then pushed it down with his finger, and he's all, dude, these are not right. So the spacing wasn't right on them, or I don't know what was going on, but I ended up ordering the wrong ones for the cups and the retainers that I had. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably see if Summit will take these other springs back, and I'm gonna go ahead and order the ones that I need. They'll probably show up midweek sometime in there. And then also, we did have a set of rod bolts that felt really shitty. We did the regular spec, well, Wyatt did the regular spec of 15 foot-pounds and 75 degrees, or whatever degrees it was, and these ones torqued to like...
Dude, they were 100 foot-pounds at
yeah.
70 degrees.
Yeah.
So what we think happens, they stretched way too much already,
Yeah.
and they're just no bueno.
Yeah, and they're pretty cheap. So depending on how cheap they are, and if I can get them from GM, I am just gonna get some OEM rod bolts. I think I found them online on GM, and they're $1.20. So if they're that cheap, I'm just gonna get all new ones and redo them all. All the other ones torque to about what everybody else gets them about, like 50, 55-ish foot-pounds, doing it that way. So all the other ones seem pretty good besides those two. Other than that, I mean, we just have to wait on some stuff, but got everything else on it. Obviously, oil pumps on it. Studs are on it, didn't have no issues with that. The gaskets are just chilling there. But yeah, I got all the valve springs back off the heads. It's got new valve seals and everything. But yeah, kind of sucks because I really wanted to get it together this weekend and get it together this week and make some boost in it and put it back on the dyno and actually take it to the track and do something cool with it and make some passes. But I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think I'm gonna get it in by this week, so it does kind of suck. I guess we'll see how fast the springs come. But thank you guys for watching, and this is just kind of how shit goes, I guess, doing cars. So I appreciate all y'all.
Never-ending battles, baby.
And I appreciate Wyatt. Thank you for helping me with all this.
Gotcha.
Go check out his channel at SketchyDA. He's actually filming a video right now that I'm bombing with my outro.
Yeah,
So he's building a freaking 800-ish horsepower B-Series motor. So That should be on his channel soon. Go check that out. I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Thank you guys, and until next time, guys, see ya. Hey, Dogger, what are you doing? Lucy, you wanna go home? You wanna go home? You wanna go home?